Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're opening up the 2019 Hot Wheels e-case. I'll be sending a few new Hot Wheels to one lucky subscriber, so make sure you subscribe, like the video, and comment your favorite car for a chance to win. Now without further ado, let's crack open this case and find out which brand new Hot Wheels we have inside. We're starting off here in the top left with a green Speed Blur Muscle Bound. Up next we have the blue 2019 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss LT. Then from HW Race Day we have the blue Porsche 917 LH. Followed up by the HWPD 2010 Camaro SS. Here we have the Bubble Wand car, the Experimotors Bubble-Matic. And over on the right is the white 2016 Cadillac ATS VR. Our next row begins with the HW Roadsters Porsche 918 Spyder. Then we have the gray Dino Riders T-Rex Destroyer. The very muscular all-black 69 Dodge Charger 500. Next in line is the blue and yellow HW Ride-On's Kit Kart. And check this one out, it's the HW Space Tesla Roadster with Starman. On the left side is the red HW Ride-On's dragster called the Diaper Dragger. Then moving on to the next row, we have the Dino Riders T-Rex Destroyer, a new red color for the HW Game Over Bone Shaker. Followed up by the 1552 Volkswagen T2 pickup truck. Here we have the yellow 2016 Mercedes-AMG GT3, and another one of the HW Rescue 2010 Camaro SS. And on the end, a second one of the HW Game Over Bone Shaker. Here comes one of my new favorites, the Fast and Furious 2015 Mercedes-AMG GT. Next in line is the red Musclemania Custom Ford Maverick. Then we've got the purple Rod Squad Surf Shop Surf and Turf, a new highlighter green color of the Experimotors GoPro car Zoom In, the very nice Nightburners Momo 71 Datsun 510. And on the left, we have the new color of the Batman TV series Batmobile. The next row begins with the X-Racers Rising Heat. Next in the row is a wild take on the Experimotors Hotweiler. Then we have a second white 2016 Cadillac ATS VR, followed by another one of the Experimotors Hotweiler. From HW Race Day we have the Mopar Dodge Charger stock car, and it looks like a new HW Metro edition of the Street Wiener. The bottom row begins with the yellow HW Rapid Responder. Then there is a bright pink Speed Blur Track Manga. From HW Screen Time, a pretty cool Back to the Future time machine in hover mode. On the bottom here is the blue Custom 53 Cadillac, another one of the Experimotors Bubble Wand car Bubble-Matic, and the new HW Moto vehicle called Moto Wing. Starting off in the top right corner for the second half, we have the HW Metro Eruption. The second car in the second half is the blue 85 Honda City Turbo 2. Then the third car in the row is another one of the X-Racers Rising Heat. Here comes a brand new one, the HW Rescue Police Car 71 Porsche 911. And to finish off the first row, we have two of the all-new Nissan 300 ZX Twin Turbo. Our next car is the HW Rescue Fire Chief Fast Master. Then we have the HW Hot Truck 67 Jeepster Commando. Here comes an all-new one for this case, it's the Land Rover Series 3 pickup truck. Alongside that red Land Rover is a red Corvette C7 Z06 convertible. Then we have a second one of the hot pink Speed Blur Track Manga. And this is also the second time seeing the HW Ride-On's Diaper Dragger. From HW Race Day we have the Gumball 3000 70 Ford Escort RS 1600. Another one of the HW Roadsters Porsche 918 Spyder. From the Baja Blazers we have the latest color of the Dune Daddy. We've got another one that's new for the case, the Volkswagen SP2. HW Race Day also features a green Indy 500 oval, and HW Rescue brings a red police car Porsche Panamera. The next row starts with an HW Moto Wing. Then we have our second purple color of the Surf Shop Surf and Turf, and another blue 85 Honda City Turbo 2. Up next is our second Land Rover Series 3 pickup truck, followed by an all-new color of the HW Space Dunosaur. And on the left here we have a new one from Baja Blazers, it's the Mountain Mauler. We have 12 cars to go, and here we have another one of the HW Ride-On's Kit Kart, a second one of the yellow 2016 Mercedes-AMG GT3. Next in line is another red custom Ford Maverick. It even looks like another one of the Nightburners 71 Datsun 510. The second appearance for this car as well, the HW Rescue Porsche Panamera. We saw this one just a second ago, it's the Baja Blazers Dune Daddy. There are 6 cars to go, and we have another 2019 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss LT. Next in line from HW Speed Graphics is the Borla 2016 2019 Camaro SS. We had this one at the start of the case, the Speed Blur Musclebound. And here we have some new ones, starting with the Black Rod Squad 32 Ford. One of my new favorites, the Speed Blur 2018 Ford Mustang GT. And finally, the last car in the case is the Rocket League car Octane. So there you have it, guys. That is the unboxing of the 2019 Hot Wheels e-case. I'm gonna send these 3 Hot Wheels right here to one lucky subscriber, so make sure you subscribe, like the video, and comment your favorite Hot Wheels car for a chance to win. A quick shout out to one of my previous giveaway winners, Caleb, who sent me this awesome photo of him and the cars he won. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next Hot Wheels video.